Hello everyone, welcome back to CyberSharks. In today's video, we are diving into a complete step-by-step guide on how to install Windows Server on VMware. We'll cover everything from creating a new virtual machine, configuring hardware setting, installing Windows Server, to doing the initial setup and configuration. This tutorial will help you get your virtual server up and running smoothly. So grab your coffee, open up VMware, and let's get started building your virtual lab like a pro. You can install any Windows like 2016 or 24 by the same process. Let's download Windows Server 2012 here. Go to browser and search download Windows Server 2012 and let's go to Windows official page. Here you are asked to select your Windows Server. Like we have multiple options. Here English, Chinese and others are options here. So the first one you can see the ISO download, the second one is BSD download. When you go to the second option like BSD download 64-bit edition, you can see this is server data center evaluation version. So we'll select ISO download 64-bit edition. When after clicking in this, it will start downloading. Once the ISO is downloaded, let's start VMware for the installation. In this process, we will start installing Windows in VMware. Click on first option to create new VM. Here browse OS image, the same server image we have downloaded. Once you browse the image, it will detect automatically that it is Windows Server. Here we give Windows Server name and storage location. I'm creating new folder for my VM. Here let's create a new storage new folder for like Windows Server where I can store my VMware files here. So after creating the folder, let's select the folder, go to next. It will ask storage. I have enough storage for my VM. Let's check I have multiple I have enough storage here. So I'm giving 80 GB for my server. You can select your storage according to your space available. Then select the first option for file storage. Here then go to the hardware configuration. Here let's give RAM as 4 GB. Then select network. I'm selecting network as Breeze and leave everything as it is. If you want to change some of the configuration, then you can change the configuration here. Once the configuration is done, select finish. It will restart system itself. It will take some time to start the system. That depend upon your system speed and configurations. Here this is OS detail. Just proceed here. Just proceed here. It will start installation. Now click on install now. Here we have multiple options for installation. Like you can see there are 4 options here. 2012 R2 standard evaluation with GUI, data center and data center with GUI core multiple. So you can see the first option, it says the standard evaluation server core, and it does not include a GUI, so it is definitely not for us. We'll select second option, it is a standard option with GUI. So we'll select this option and let's continue. Let's accept the license and next. Here we select the custom install Windows only option. Here Let's create a C drive where we will install Windows. I'll give it 60 GB. That will be enough for C drive installation. C drive for OS installation. Here you can see it create a new partition for 58.3 GB. That will be my C drive, and remaining create another partition. So the first one will be the C drive where I am going to install Windows Server there. So after selecting the drive, click on next. This process is lengthy. This process that includes the copying file and the installation file. So this process is lengthy. This is installation phase where the server is installing, so it will take some time. So let me come when the process is over. So the process is done. It will keep restarting multiple times. You don't need to do anything here. It will keep restarting multiple times. Let me fast forward the process. Once every process is done, it will ask for password setup. Let's keep simple password as admin123. You can keep your password, and let's confirm the password. Click on enter. Okay, the password says error. It does not meet criteria. It does not meet criteria. Let's set another password. Let's create some password difficult. Okay, done. The password is set up. It will keep restarting multiple times. After the installation is done, so let's log into the system. Press Ctrl Alt Del to log in the screen, and let's give the password we set up earlier and log in here. And the system is logged in and done. We are into our Windows Server. This is Windows Server 2012 R2. The installation is finished. This is Windows Server 2012. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to start normally. That's it. The installation is done. If you like the content, do like and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, do not forget to comment down. See you in the next video.